Hello everybody, and welcome to UC Tech Chat, where we talk business technology, unified communications, and more for small and medium businesses. I am your host, Brian Ferguson.
And I'm your co-host, Jason Mefford. Thank you for joining us.
All right, so today Jason and I will be talking about soft phones. We'll be talking about what a soft phone is and how they've recently evolved.
Then we'll wrap up the show discussing top business applications that make us more productive in the workplace.
Okay, so let's get started about not talking about what a soft phone is, but let's talk about what it is not. A soft phone is not a physical phone like your desk phone or your mobile phone.
A software phone or softphone is a software program or app that is used to make calls using voice over IP. It's typically designed with a UI or user interface that mimics traditional phones. There's numerous applications like traditional soft phones, as well as applications like Google Talk and Skype. It's available for various operating systems like Mac, Windows, Linux, as well as various smartphones.
So a soft phone is not a standalone device. You will need a business phone system to connect the soft phone to. So all you'll need to do is download your soft phone from your app store. You'll connect it to your business phone system, and that phone system will provide the extension and the dial tone.
For making calls, you'll need access to internet connectivity as well. Cable, DSL are always good options. The beauty of a soft phone is in the connectivity options that you have. There's also typically UC capabilities or unified communication capabilities like chat, presence, and video.
So the physical end of a soft phone can vary. It can be a desktop, it can be a laptop, or a mobile device. And soft phones are a perfect complement to a typical IPv6 like Asterisk. And if you want to have a soft phone and a desk phone and use them together, you can do that as well.
Using a soft phone with a mobile device is great for telecommuters. It's convenient, and you can save costs on traditional roaming charges with your cell phone provider, as well as hotel long-distance charges.
And soft phones are perfect for companies that want to save money on handsets and don't need a lot of really heavy features. So a perfect example of this would be a call center. Call centers just take a high number of volume calls, but they don't need really fancy features. So it's perfect for that. You get everybody a really good headset, and you'll be good to go.
Although soft phones are great options for a lot of scenarios, there's also some pitfalls to be aware of. First is it's dependent on the computer itself and the operating system. Second is it is software instead of hardware, and sometimes software is less reliable than a hardware solution. And then third, troubleshooting. If you have to troubleshoot a soft phone, you have to worry about the operating system, a sound card, multiple variables that are not apparent when you have a desk phone, a hardware phone.
All right, so let's recap. Jason, what do you need to deploy a soft phone?
To deploy a soft phone, you need the following. You need a soft phone application, you need a PC or smartphone with a compatible operating system, you need a computer and microphone with speakers or a headset, an account with a voice over IP service provider or an IP PBX service provider, and a high-speed, reliable connection.
All right, so now that we know a lot more about what soft phones are, let us know if you have any further questions at #UCTechChat, and we'll get those questions answered for you. So now let's change gears a bit and talk about just our favorite business apps in general. All right, so Jason and I put together a list of our favorite business apps. Jason, why don't you go ahead and start?
Sure thing. First up is the Dropbox app. This free app allows easy access to files and documents while you're out of the office, which allows you to be productive from anywhere.
So next is Adobe Reader. For fillable forms, converting PDF to Word or Excel, and more, Adobe Reader is a convenient and user-friendly app for reviewing and editing a range of documents.
Invoice2Go is the perfect tool for freelancers and businesses that have trouble keeping track of money owed, money paid, and money received.
The Keeper app allows you to encrypt on your phone, auto-fill in logins and passwords on websites, generate strong passwords, and search through existing login details. You can never be too safe.
Absolutely. The TinyScan Pro app lets you scan anything you need to, including documents, photos, receipts, and save it as a PDF file to store and share however you like. I keep all my Best Buy receipts in this app.
And finally, we have iTranslate. With 42 language options available, iTranslate allows you to translate spoken language into written English, or whatever language you prefer. It even allows you to connect devices and engage in conversation with others. So let us know your favorite business apps at #UCTechChat. Thank you for joining us today, and we'll see you on the next episode.